As you know, QASSP is exploring a new narrative for primary education. There are many aspects to this work, but I'm at a school that's unleashing the creative potential of its students in ways that other educators are starting to take notice of. It's a lighthouse school for Designed InGenuity, a learning framework for the creative mind, and we are currently facilitating the first dig for this year with teachers here. Next week we'll conduct a second dig for those that want to know more about the approach, and it is really one of those things that has to be experienced for you to recognise the potential in it. It's delivered an hour a day over 5 days via Zoom. A dig's not a program, it's not a workshop, but as I said, it is an opportunity to unleash the creative potential in students, in your teachers and in school leaders in ways that are frankly quite exciting. If you believe that we need to transform schooling to ensure that the students of today can create a better future for us all tomorrow, you need to consider undertaking the dig. The next opportunity will be in March. And if we are to tell a different story, it's important that we own the narrative, that we give voice to it, and that we restrict perhaps the space for the older, dominant and more powerful narratives to prevail. Please join the experiment, and if you want to know more about digs, give me a call.